Okay, here's my Beaver heater, and I hear a lot of people saying that they don't like these diesel heaters because they're a little finicky on starting them up sometime. But what I found out is that I always have to unplug mine first. When I'm done, I got to unplug it. And then I have to plug it in and make sure I see these readings before when I first plug it in. You'll see them pop up. See it? And once it's done there, after I plug it in, then I can hit the on button and it'll start. Starts every time. If I leave it plugged in and shut it down and try to restart it, it won't start. When I get done with the unit, I have to unplug it for some reason. And it works for me.